Hey, shalom, 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 family. Salakia. Real quick, I forgot to announce also, some of y'all were asking for the email, how to contact, and how to make donations to H.O.I. A lot of my latest lives, I haven't been giving out that information like I used to in my old classes, Salakia. I'm going to start doing that again because a lot of y'all asked. And I have to message y'all direct, so I'm going to make this announcement. This will be part of the video. To contact H.O.I, the main email is houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. House of Israel, NYC, like as in New York City, @gmail.com. All right, to email us. That's the general email, all right, that I'm mainly in charge of. Sometimes I get bombarded. I don't get back to everybody, but I try to answer all emails. For donations or concerning emails, if you're looking for a particular area, we will give you the email for that area. Like if you're looking for Philadelphia, Vegas, Los Angeles, Georgia, so on and so forth, we'll give you that email for that particular state or region or area, city, whatever have you. For donations, you can donate to House of Israel at a Cash App, $, Shaquall, S as in Sam, H as in hat, A as in apple, Q as in quality, A as in apple, L as in Larry, 777 on Cash App. $ first, of course. On PayPal, the PayPal account is under the email INAC, I as in instinct, N as in Nancy, A as in apple, K as in karate, 747@yahoo.com on PayPal. All right, so that's the two ways you can donate. You can also donate through GoFundMe.com at House of Israel. All right, GoFundMe.com, House of Israel. Those are your ways you can contact us and support us for those of y'all that always ask. Once again, happy Feast of Tabernacles, day 8, which closed out at sundown, but just a commentary. Happy Feast of Tabernacles, day 8. And email us for any information. Donate to support the work and the truth and the ministry. And all praises to Yahweh Bashim Mashiach Yahushua forever and ever. Amen. Just want to make that final announcement. Kwam Yashala, Shalom. Happy Feast of Tabernacles again. Day 8 closing, which was at sundown, is officially over. But most I will, the next feast day will be the new moon. 8th month, October 24th at even, Monday. All praise to Yahweh and Yahweh Shai forever and ever. Amen. So contact us, support this ministry and this work. All praise to Yahweh and Yahweh Shai forever and ever. Amen. Shalom.